Attention! Good morning. As you know, your project are due today. Who wants to go first?
We will.
Ugh, whatever. Okay, so our project is on particles of matter. Firstly, solids. Solids can be anything from a bureau to a table or anything where the particles are all tightly packed together. Also, solids have a definite shape and a definite volume.
Next, liquids. Liquids are any substance where the particles can slide past one another. That includes things like wine, champagne, a lake, or even a fountain. They have an indefinite shape but a definite volume.
Last but not least, gases. Gases are all around you in the air, and every time you move your hands, you touch them. They have an indefinite shape and an indefinite volume. They roam through the air and cover as much space as they can and do not compact together.
In all substances, when heating them, the thermal energy increases, which is basically heat energy. For example, when you're cooking on a stove, you're raising the thermal energy of whatever you're cooking.
All substances have a melting and freezing point. The common misconception of people is that you need cold for freezing and hot for melting. This is not true. The freezing and melting point is the same temperature for all substances. Water's melting and freezing point is 0 degrees Celsius. In iron, it's 1,535 degrees Celsius.
With thermal energy comes speed. When heated, the particles of a substance speed up. When changing from a solid to a liquid, the particles move so quickly that they break apart. When going from a liquid to a gas, the particles are going further and further because of the thermal energy.
When going from a liquid to a solid, the particles are slowing down. The temperature that a liquid turns to a solid is called substance's freezing point. It is the same temperature at the melting point.
So that's our project. Any questions?
What happens when a liquid turns into a gas?
When a liquid turns to a gas, the particles are speeding up. At the same time, they're breaking loose and spreading throughout the given space.
What's viscosity? Well, viscosity is a liquid's resistance to flow.
You forgot surface tension! Surface tension is the result of an inward pull among the molecules of a liquid that brings the molecules on the surface closer together.
Although gases and solids have no surface tension, interesting thing is that solids come in simply two types called crystalline solids and amorphous solids. Crystalline solids are made up of crystals and form a regular arrangement pattern. Amorphous solids are not formed in a pattern.
Haven't you forgotten something?
Oh, we forgot vaporization, evaporation, condensation, and sublimation.
Vaporization is a change from a liquid to a gas. Evaporation is a type of vaporization that only takes place on the surface of a liquid. Condensation is the opposite of vaporization, and sublimation is when surface particles of a solid gain enough energy to form a gas.
We're done.
Good job, ladies. Go ahead and sit now.
I forgot what I was supposed to do. No.
No, dude.
I forget what one I...
We will. Oh, I sound stupid. Okay. Let's be serious about this. Next, liquids are any substance where the particles can slide. I can't say that line.
Oh my God,
Dude,
we have to delete
You do it.
No, it's already done.
Hello, class. Your project is due today. Now.
You can't see the guy. I'm being the guy now. You can't do that. Wait, where are we starting? Wait, is it on?
Yes.
Yes, it's. Oh my God, I hate you. Why'd you turn it on? I wasn't ready.
What happens when a...
Dude,
I can't do this. I sound like a weirdo. Okay, let's redo it. All right, so what are we doing next?
I don't know. What do you want to do? Do you want to do the with the thermal energy comes the speedy thing, or what do you want to do?
I don't know.
What we should do next?
I don't know. Wait, hold on. What? Oh my gosh, it's recording.
Wait, what? It's recording?
Yes.
When a liquid turns to like a gas, the particles are.
Stop! You're saying like an way too much.
Shut up.
No, you're saying like an
Fine, I'll start over.
Are you speaking like Spanish? Like Miss Drable didn't teach you how to do that.
Well,
She's a better teacher than I.
oh my God, shut up.